Hello, fifth graders. We're back into our phonics work today. And our focus is on reading and spelling R-controlled vocabulary words. Okay, so you are going to read, review, and practice the spelling pattern sort. Now, if you remember this, we've done this a couple of times already, where we have a list of words here, and you may choose to write them on index cards. All right, that way we can sort these words and we can practice spelling and reading. Or your other option is to print off the sheet that I have attached to our Schoology page today, and then you can cut apart the words. Okay, but the words that we're using for today are shower, neither, pattern, yesterday, newspaper, earned, early, circle, thirsty, dirty, curtain, surface, burning, surely, adventure, and culture. Okay, so you're going to start with reading the words. Okay, you're going to flip through your cards, your index cards, or your printed off cards. You're going to practice reading them. Then you're going to practice spelling each word. Now, I know that the more senses that you use, the more likely you are to remember the spelling of the word. Okay, so I know some of you like to say the spelling aloud. That's one option. Okay, another option would be to write the spelling of each word. Okay, but the biggest benefit would be to do both. Not only say the spelling, but also to write the spelling of each word. All right, we're working hard at becoming better writers and also better readers at the same time. All right, and then the last step is to sort these words into different piles depending on the R-controlled vowel. Okay, so you have the or the ER, you have ear, EAR, you have it, I'm trying to think of a word that has or girl, earl, that sorry, I had to pull it out of the word, but the IR controlled R, the UR as in turn, or the URE, like in future. Okay, so splitting up those piles depending on the sounds and the spelling that you see for the R-controlled spelling words. All right, this is a nice day to step away from the computer a little bit, practice with the words and the spelling, and then also sort out the words based on the spelling pattern. All right, good luck.